Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring one of the most common challenges faced by Java developers when working with document repositories in ViewModel. If you're building an application that involves creating and managing documents, chances are that you've encountered this issue before. The question on everyone's mind is, how do I return a document reference of a newly created document from the repository to my ViewModel in Java? In this video, we'll delve into the details of this problem and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to tackle it. To understand the solution, let's first break down the components involved. We have our document repository, which is responsible for storing and retrieving documents. Then we have our ViewModel, which acts as an intermediary between the repository and the user interface. When a new document is created, we want to return a reference to that document from the repository to the ViewModel. The key concept here is understanding how to communicate between these two layers. One approach is to use a callback mechanism where the repository notifies the ViewModel when a new document is created. However, this can lead to tight coupling between the two components. A better approach is to use a more decoupled architecture, such as the observer pattern or the publish-subscribe pattern. These patterns allow the repository and ViewModel to communicate with each other without being tightly coupled. For example, when a new document is created in the repository, it can publish an event indicating that a new document has been added. The ViewModel can then subscribe to this event and receive a notification when a new document is available. This notification can include the reference to the newly created document. Another important aspect to consider is how to handle errors and exceptions during this process. What if the document creation fails? Or what if there's an issue with retrieving the document reference we need? To ensure that our solution is robust and can handle these scenarios. To summarize, here are the key points to take away from this discussion. Use a decoupled architecture, such as the observer or publish-subscribe pattern, to communicate between the repository and ViewModel. Implement a callback mechanism or event-driven approach to notify the ViewModel when a new document is created. Consider error handling and exception scenarios during document creation and retrieval. That's all for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to return a document reference from a repository to a ViewModel in Java. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on software development and technology. If you're interested in exploring more topics related to Java, repositories, and ViewModels, we'd love to hear your suggestions. Please let us know what you'd like to see covered in future videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.